How's it going? Steve with Lodi Glass. Got an install of some door poppers and kickers on a 67 Beetle. I'm going to show you what I did and give you a quick little demo. So I ended up mounting the solenoid and I guess where the speaker hole would go. And the cable goes up and behind, comes out this hole here that I drilled and into a little piece of like a sleeve for a bicycle brake cable. Goes behind the door handle there, and the door handle kind of holds that piece of cable. And then the cable comes out the back side across and goes to this washer that I've welded to the rod. And then I went ahead and added this little extra ground for the door to give the door a nice solid ground. And this is where the wire comes through, so it's stuck solid to the car, to the body, and then as the door closes, the wire goes into the door, because there is not enough room for that wire to get pinched in between the door and the frame of the body. And then you can also see I've got my kicker mounted down here, and same deal, there's not enough room for the rubber to fit in between the body and the door, so I ended up countersinking it, so it actually countersinks into that little pocket into the door there. So go around to the front. Wiring's kind of temporary. Relay for the driver's door, relay for the passenger door, a couple of fuses, and the little controller. I just stuck it on top of the ashtray there for now, just to get it up out of the way. This car's nowhere near done, so the wiring will get finished out later on. So, remote. Kicks that door right open.